stock halogen bulb right there, okay? This cannot run a dual filament like the switchbacks, so you only get the amber one, okay? So, and I'll show you why too. So we're gonna get it from this to this. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is removing the actual cowl, and it's held down by 12 push clips. So just use a trim clip remover and it'll just right in between, pop it out and get these all out. That will let you remove this, which we'll just put to the side. Alright, and then after that you're going to remove the two 10 millimeters that hold the actual headlight in place. So I already removed them, I only have one in here left, so just like that. And then at this point, if you can see right here, let me get a light for you so I can show you. That one you see there that I'm touching. Okay, right there, that one right there, okay? That's your actual bulb plug, okay? This does not run wires, it actually gets powered by the headlight itself. So to remove this, what I did is after removing the actual bolts that were right here in the headlight, okay, once you remove this, I used a little trim remover, plastic one, and just lift it up. That will release it from its little locking state. And that gives you enough space to be able to stick your hand through here. Okay, you're gonna stick your hand through here and turn the actual bulb, okay? So I'm gonna start turning. And just like that, the whole bulb comes out, okay? Or the whole assembly. So at this point, like I was saying before, the actual halogen bulb that goes in here will have on the little print, it'll say 7444, which is a dual filament. But actually, if you take out the bulb, there's only a positive and negative, okay? Normally, when you have a dual filament plug, there'll be 4 contacts, okay? So we're gonna put back our LED bulb in here, just like that, and put it back in place again. And one thing as well is that these are polarity sensitive, so make sure you put it in correctly. If it doesn't light up, you would have to remove it, disconnect the bulb, flip it over and reconnect it again, and that should fix your issue, okay? And these use the standard 7440s, so you don't have to get a CK model for these, okay? And then you just want to line it up. Once you get it in there, make sure you make it goes all the way down. And test it by turning on your emergency lights. If it lights up, then you're good. If it doesn't, it means you need to go more. As you can see, you got it. It's already all the way in. So that's what you want. So now we're gonna do the same procedure on the passenger side. Okay, just real quick, another comparison. That's the actual halogen bulb. And that's our last fit T7440s in amber, okay? And just real quick, you can see our LED actually flashing on the wall. Okay, just so you can see a comparison. That's just the halogen on. Okay. Hardly anything. Do the driver's side. Big difference. Okay, so now we're going to complete the other side and show you how it looks with both of them on. So there you have it, guys. We're done. We completed it. These are the T7440s in amber. If you can go to the left side. There you go. Emergency. There you have it. And just real quick, show you a wall projection. Big difference compared to earlier. Do individual. That's the driver's side. Passenger. Big difference. Okay. So just one more thing before we go. Just make sure put back all your bolts, all right? So two 10 millimeters hold the top 2 handles of the headlight. on each side. Okay, so it'd be 1, 2, and then you're gonna put your plastic cover over this again and put all your clips and lock it down, and that completes the whole installation. In case you cannot get to the actual headlight to get to the turn signal the way we did it today, you would have to remove this panel, which comes off from right here. It's looks like it's a 5 or 8 millimeter. Remove this. I recommend, if you can, remove the whole thing, but if it's loose enough, that should give you enough space to be able to pull this off. And then you would have to go under the actual car. There's gonna be some tabs that hold this piece, and then the whole thing should just come off, okay? And at that point, you will remove what's 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 10 millimeters on top as well, to allow you to remove the grill, and that would give you more space because then you can remove the whole headlight, and that makes it work on this much easier, okay? So other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.